Hello everyone, in this video I would like explain you how you can unban and submit appeal to unban your TikTok account. So let's get started. Open up TikTok app, then tap on this little icon in the top right corner. Then you should select other. From this other, tap on need more help. So here you should write about your ban something and add if you have any video or photo on your account. You should add here. Enter of course your banned login and your banned email, and right here for answer email you should have access to this email, and then tap on report. So second way, what you need to do, you just log into your account. I know your account is banned, but you can log into your banned account. So you tap on login, select where you can log into your account. I log into my account with my phone number. Then of course I log it in. I received code. And here, as you can see, when you log into your account, here says your account is permanently banned, and tap on view details. So you tap on view details. There are videos on TikTok that banned you. So you just tap on any of video, and I guess you need tap on all video. And here in the bottom you will see submit appeal. You just tap on submit appeal on all videos that you see in this list. So, and when you done, you should scroll down. I just already submit appeal. In very bottom here you will see submit appeal. Again, just tap on this submit appeal, and then will be opened why you banned. You scroll down, in very bottom you will see a little window, and in this little window you can say about your ban something. So you should explain why your account was banned by mistake. So you write this and then tap on submit appeal. I can't show you exactly, but you should do it. And when you do all these steps, you should just wait answer from support TikTok, and I believe they unbanned you. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.